Here is our problem. Black.
Sir, can I tell?
Who is that? Yeah, tell.
Parth.
Yes, Parth, please.
Sir, we should take the rook to C7.
Rook to C7. What Parth is telling this? This is one of the check. That is good. But that check is not proper because this bishop, white bishop, is guarding this square C7. So if you take this, this will capture. So it is not a good check. Though it is a check, it is not a good one. You have to find good ones. Let me give the answer to all.
Sir?
Yes. Who is that?
Can I tell?
Yes, Aradhya. Yes, Aradhya.
Bishop will go to F1.
F1. Yes, Aradhya. That was very nice. You are told this bishop will go to F1 and gives check. That is true. But this again square is guarded by a rook. So this rook will capture.
Sir, can I tell?
Yes, Vinit.
Move bishop to E6.
That's right. That is beautiful. Perfect move. Now this is the safest move. Bishop moves to E6 is the correct one. Okay. Now I will show you how many checks are there. See, bishop coming over here, 1. Bishop coming over here, 2. Rook here, 3. Rook here, killing this pawn, 4. Then pawn over here, 5. This is also a check available. But out of this, all checks were bad because if this square is not supported square, in fact, this can kill. This square, it is guarded by this. So not correct. This guarded by this. Pawn can kill the rook. Here also, if this comes over here, some guard is there. This is the only square, there is no guard. So every time you have to see that wherever you are putting your piece, that square should be safe. All the time you must think about this. Safe. Now black to move, play the move which stops the check. Checkmates will come after problem number 30. Huh? Now you write the move in your notebook. No need of telling me, no need of telling me. You write it, Shubhankar, then I will explain, okay? After I tell you the answer, then you can tell कौन बराबर है और कौन बराबर नहीं था. If you are right in giving the answer, yes, you can raise your hand. You are right. Here, pawn is supported by rook and pawn is giving attack on king as well as bishop. Now, if king tries to go over here, king is saved, but pawn will capture the bishop. So king moves anywhere, basically, not over here. Anywhere king moves, bishop goes. So that means you are losing the bishop, and what you have to save the king, and if you can save the bishop also, it is good. एक की झटके में दो चीज. So here you can capture this very easily and save your king. What you have done over here is that saving the king by capturing the attacker. What is the concept over here? Capturing the attacker. Best way to save yourself, guarding yourself. Attack the attacker. It's always best way. So here capturing my king was not possible because of this support. And that is why this capture was correct. Everybody understood this? Next. White to move.
Yes, sir.
White to move, put your opponent into check. Find out there are different checks. Only one check is a good check.
Sir, can I tell?
Wait, let me put this problem on another board, which is very, I can explain this problem better.
Sir, can I tell?
Wait, just wait. Yeah. Tell me now.
Sir, we should take the queen to g4.
Queen to G4. Okay, you write down that solution in your notebook. Anybody else? Yes, Vishwas.
Hello, sir. I am Atharva.
Yes,
Sir,
Atharva.
we can take the bishop to h7.
Okay.
But it is.
Okay. Anybody else? Shubhankar.
Yes, sir.
Tell me the answer. Indari.
Sir, can I tell?
Yes, beta, Vinit.
Move queen to e8.
Okay. Okay. Anybody else?
Sir,
Yes, Shubhankar. Yes, Shubhankar.
team queen to e8.
Okay. Kinnu, you must try.
Sir,
Rook to b1.
Rook to B1. No, B1 is this. So you have to give check over here to the black king. So if this comes over here, you cannot give check. No?
sir.
If this is the king and this is
Hello,
the,
sir.
yeah. Yeah.
Sir, the queen to e8.
Queen to E8. Okay. So any other answer? Already you have given the answer this. Somebody
Sir,
has given the answer this. And somebody has given the answer this. Apart from this, do you think there is any other answer? Look here. This king is in a white square or light square. So this dark square bishop will never give the check. It cannot come in white square. It cannot influence white square. So this is out of question. And this is far away. This is also out of question. These are all away, quite away. They are not near the king in any way. So only possibility is this and this only. So how you have to think is that you draw lines alternate जहां जहां जाता है and try every square. Yeah, queen over here. Is it giving check over here? No. Queen here? No. Queen here? Yes. Queen can give check from here. So that means this is the square. Here queen comes. Is there any possibility? No. No check. No check. So this is how you have to imagine. You put the pieces in different square, imaginary, and then see if the queen is attacking or that piece is attacking on the king. That is how you have to find. So in this particular scenario, this check, and this only 3 checks are there. Out of which this check is bad because this is guarded by this. So queen to g4 is bad check. Then bishop to h7 is also a bad check. This will directly kill. There is no support. King के इतने नजदीक जाओगे तो king काट खाएगा. So the only possibility is this. This is a good check. Understood? Now here my next question. Same situation. How you will protect your king from this attack? You have to safeguard your king. You have to save your king. That means king can be saved by what we have seen. Attack the attacker first. Whether
No.
you can attack this, anybody can capture this, any piece on this board? No.
No.
If at all this was here, na, then the capturing was possible. But this bishop is blocking the attack by rook. Thereby this square is safe. So first is gone. Second is block the attacker. So can anybody come in the middle of these two pieces? Because attack is from here. So the only possibility is somebody should come over here. Who can come?
No. Nobody can come.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Bishop can come.
Yes, the bishop.
Bishop can come.
So this is how you will save your king.
Sir, but then the bishop will get killed.
Then-
Instead of that, we can move the king to g7.
No. Check is there. Check is there. If this comes over here and you say this will kill, then this will kill back. Black will get white's queen. That means 10 points.
It's queen.
And black will lose only 3 points. So फायदे का सौदा है. Okay? कैडबरी लेने का और एक इक्लेयर देने का. Right? So this is not good. Now, if this bishop wouldn't have been over here, if it is here, just suppose. Now, how this king will save? Nobody can come in the middle. So the only way is that it can run away and save yourself. It cannot run here because this place is guarded. Okay? It cannot go over here. Not over here, not over here because the check continues. So the only place was this. Now, what I wanted to explain you is here. Many people will think this position. Now here just count the number of pieces. 1, 2, 3. White has also same. Both has got queen. And black has got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 pawns. White has got also 6 pawns. So it is an equal position. It is equal position. So here, who will win? Deciding is little difficult. Now this is the situation where this decision takes place. Now, if you feel instead of taking this over here, because ये तो अच्छा अटैक है यहाँ पर, क्यों अटैक छोड़ने का? अच्छी तरह से इधर है, इसको क्यों बीच में लाने का, इसको हम लोग यहाँ कर देंगे. तो दिस इज द वी कॉल इन चेस इट इज अ ब्लंडर और अ बिग मिस्टेक. Big mistake in chess is also always called as a blunder. This is a blunder in this particular game. Now I will show you how the checkmate takes place. Just as a information or as a थोड़ा आपको आगे लेके जाना जा रहा हूँ. कुछ नहीं समझा तो भी चलेगा. Only listen. See how this checkmate takes place. Next move this will kill and check. Now this is a sacrifice we call, because white gets only pawn and white loses the bishop. तो एक pawn मिला और 3 point गए. So such a thing is called as sacrifice. But when you give it by calculation, it is good. Here this black cannot come over here. Black cannot come over here. Black cannot come over here. Not over here because of this. So only option is killing. Compulsory. Now this will come over here. Check again. Okay. This cannot go over here, not over here, not over here, and not over here. This is always there. So you have to be very careful. So this will only go over here. Again check. Not over here, not over here, not over here. So only not over here. Only possibility is this. Okay, this possibility or this possibility. If this or this possibility also. If this comes over here, still again check. It cannot go over here, cannot go over here, cannot go over here, cannot go over here. Make. And if from this check it comes over here, still it is check and mate. King cannot go over here because of this. Not over here because of same thing. Not over here because this check continues. Not here because of this. Not here because of this. It is a check and mate. So by sacrificing one bishop, you are luring the king for checkmate. So that is why this bishop coming in the middle was very vital. So that is why we always say which move is better. You have to think little ahead. What will happen next? If I move this, I am saving temporary, but whether that saving could sustain, then that is good. Sustain means वो अच्छा है क्या, आगे भी चलकर मुझे वो ज्यादा सेफ्टी देगा क्या? That is what we have to think. Continuous safety is very important, not the temporary one move or two move safety. But these all parts will come little later on. I just thought that I should share this with you. Let us move ahead. So this was the correct. This is the correct. Next, like to move, play the move which stops the check. Now here it is the very important concept I am going to teach you. Very important concept. You must understand this all the time and keep in your mind all the time. Here you will find this is the problem. Now you will find there is a check from this. Okay, so what is the big thing about it? What is the big deal? Nobody can kill this. No other piece is there. Nobody can come in the middle. So only it has to run. It can run over here. It can run over here. It can run to many places. It has got, not over here only. Because this is the line of attack. You cannot run in the line of attack. Okay. Now the concept here is, which you have to learn is, what king is doing here. यहाँ पर king बैठे बैठे क्या कर रहा है? What is his duty now on this position? King is supporting his own piece. King is supporting his own piece. So when the check is there, if king goes over here, what will happen? King is not supporting this pin, this piece, only this piece. So that means this will be able to capture. You understand? So here the continuous check concept and your support is what you have to look into this. So if you move over here, still you will lose this. So you have to move to such a place where you will guard. Saving your king is not the only thing. You have to save every possible piece on the board or pawn on the board. क्या धर्मशाला खोल के रखी है क्या हम लोगों ने कि जहां पर हम खेलते हैं तो चलो ये गया तो चलेगा, एक पॉन भी नहीं छोड़ना है अपने को, एक पॉन भी. Right from the beginning, you are learning in the beginning, you make it in your head that you are not going to give anything free. So the correct move is this. Now even if this kills, here you get back. When you get back equal, that means you call it as saved. It is saved, a part of saving. You get equal. आपने 5 रुपया दुकानदार को दिया और 5 रुपए का पर्क लिया तो it is equal ना. You get something out of it. So you are not spending now. Asset आ गया ना आपके पास. एक एसेट देके दूसरा एसेट ले लिया. Everybody understood this concept? You have to understand the concept because all this concept will be utilized later. जो ड्यूटी आप कर रहे हो उसे छोड़ो मत. See, the same concept was there when the rook checks I was showing you. 2 rook checkmate. One rook was capturing one particular line. You don't leave that line. आप स्टडी करते हो तो कोई स्टडी के लिए एक पर्टिकुलर सब्जेक्ट चूज किया, चलो आज हिस्ट्री स्टडी करेंगे, तो क्या 5 मिनट में वो छोड़ के दूसरा कुछ स्टडी करेंगे? नहीं, यू कंप्लीट दैट, यू डू दैट योर वर्क. आपके मम्मी ने कुछ करने के लिए लिया आपके लिए मस्त सैंडविच और खाली ब्रेड लिया और वैसा ही रख दिया तो चलेगा क्या आपको? यू विल आस्क मम्मी, अरे यार ये कर रही है तो ये तो कर दे, मुझे एक तो ब्रेड खाने दो यार, जैम ले लो, ये जैम लगा के दे दो मुझे. शी विल नॉट लीव दैट हर वर्क. So similarly in chess, you, whatever work that piece is doing, let that piece that work to be done by that piece. Don't leave unless it is really forced. You leave it then only. Otherwise, don't leave that. This is very important thing. Later on, every stage, this will come to your help. So for today, we are over. Everybody understood every aspect, whatever I have told you. Fools met, scholars met, and we played for chess positions 24, 25, 26. I think 26. So we will continue next time, 26 onwards. Checkmate problems will come from 30th. Yes. Yes, Aryan.
कालचा होमवर्क काय होता?
कालचा होमवर्क मी तुम्हाला 2 रूक चेस बोर्ड वर ठेवायला सांगितलेले आणि किंग ठेवायला सांगितलेला, अपोनंटचा किंग, आणि त्या 2 रूकने आपल्याला त्या किंगला मेट करायचं होतं. दोन्हीकडनं तुम्हीच खेळायचे, ब्लॅकने पण तुम्हीच खेळायचे आणि व्हाईटने पण तुम्हीच खेळायचे. वेगवेगळ्या पोझिशनला दोन्ही रूक ठेवायचे आणि अजून 2 पॉन जर का ठेवले त्या किंगच्या मदतीला तर वेल अँड गुडच. एका पॉनच्या बदल्यात 2 पॉन ठेवायचे आणि कोणत्याही पोझिशनला ठेवा. Okay.
What is castling?
Castling will
Sir?
come later on. Yes. Yes. Who is that?
आजचा होमवर्क काय आहे?
आजचा होमवर्क तुम्हाला मी अजून चेकमेट झालेला नाहीये तुमचा, बरोबर ना, पूर्णपणे. मी एक काम करतो, मी एक 10 प्रॉब्लेम तुम्हाला पाठवून देतो. 10 प्रॉब्लेम कसे असतील तुम्हाला स्क्रीनवर दाखवतो मी. जस्ट होल्ड ऑन. कसे असतील एक प्रॉब्लेम दाखवतो. याच्यात नाहीये. थांबा जरा, होल्ड करा, होल्ड इट.
शांती भवतु. ओम.
See here,
Sir,
yeah, see this problem. Now I will send such positions to you, different 10 positions on the board. Okay, what you have to do is that find a single move. You have to find that move, and that move should give checkmate. Here, this queen comes over here. That means you will write Q G7 is the answer for that particular problem. So whatever problems I will be sending you, you have to write in your notebook, answer in this fashion. What particular move you will do, and that move will inflict, that move should give, check and mate. Very clear? This all pictures will be there. I will send on WhatsApp. You will, you can write the answers in your notebook. Afterwards, I will send the answers to you. You can check yourself. Okay?
yes, sir.
So, any questions for
Yes,
today's
sir.
session? Any questions?
Yes, sir.
Not understood? Okay. I have recorded today's session. I will be posting this on YouTube. You go to YouTube and search for Pinnacle Academy. You will find many sessions over there. You can review this session again. And those who have missed, Tanvi, तुझ्याकरता कालची दोन्ही sessions टाकलेली आहेत मी. हा? ते दोन.
सर
हा, yes बाळा.
त्याचं नाव काय आहे YouTube
पिनॅकल
channel?
स्पोर्ट्स. मी आता एक तुम्हाला पाठवतो, मी लिंक पाठवतो सगळ्यांना. एकदा ती लिंक बघितल्यानंतर तुम्ही सबस्क्राईब करा त्या.
सर मेरे कल में मिस हो गया.
So you can see that. Don't worry, I will send it. Okay, yesterday's also I will send it, and today I will post it, and then you can see that on that link. Okay,
सर
नीरज?
उद्या ना काजच
नाही, मी आजच पाठवून देतो. आता मी अर्ध्या तासात पाठवून देतो. मला ते कन्वर्ट करायला जरा वेळ लागतो, याच्यावर कन्वर्ट व्हायला वेळ लागतो, तर अर्ध्या तासाने कन्वर्ट होईल आणि मगच मला पाठवून देईल. फॉर्मॅट वेगळा असतो ना मला, पोस्टिंगला जरा वेळ लागतो. सो बाय 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 रश्मी.
Bye.
रश्मी ऐकतेस ना? समजतंय का? तुला पण समजतंय का?
बाय सर.
Bye, sir.
गुड गुड गुड.
Good
बाय
night,
सर
sir.
गुड नाईट सर
बाय
Bye,
सर.
sir. Good night, sir.
गुड नाईट.
गुड नाईट सर.
गुड
बाय
नाईट.
सर. बाय सर. बाय सर.
विश्वास
संजय
जमतंय?
होल्ड हो सकते हैं.
जमतंय का?
हा,
थांब.
अरे मस्त
हो, मस्त.
मजा येते.
विश्वास, थांब जरा थांब. मी तुला जेव्हा
हो,
थांब
हो.
त्यावेळेला नेमका तू निघून जातोस त्या मोमेंटला. की बाकीच्यांना काढतो. थांब जरा.
तन्वी पण थांब. तन्वी थांब.
हा.
तन्वी कुठे गायब झाली?
तिला नाही माहिती
या.
आहे.
हा, तर- अरे तर ती तन्वी गेली आता, तिला थांब सांगितलं ना.
हो, तन्वीला सांग.
हम्म.
थांब, सांगतो जॉईन करायला.
हा.
काय म्हणतो समीर, कसा आहेस?
मस्त एकदम. आज माहितीये का
मस्त
तुला
वाटतं.
आपला वाढदिवस आहे? विसरलीस?
हो, अपर्णाला. हो.
आहे का? कोणा कुठे आहे?
आले आले, एक मिनिट. नम्रता, विश्वास, रश्मी, काल काय याचा नेटचा प्रॉब्लेम झाला का तन्वीचा?
हो, काहीतरी
हा.
झालं याचं. लाईट गेले काय